and welcome to the Coffee Galaxy. In this video, we will be seeing how to make basic motion in Scratch. As usual, we will be using the Scratch offline editor, and what's so special about this editor is this editor can even work offline. So this makes this editor the most awesome coding platform ever built. Okay, let's get started with the tutorial. So first, what you do is we have our Scratch cat right here and all the scripts right here. So we need to just take a few scripts to make our Scratch cat move. So let's try the basic motion. I mean the most basic motion, which can be made with the event blocks right here. When key, let's say right pressed, change x by 10. Right click and duplicate this. When key left arrow is pressed, of course, -10. Well, there is no need of pressing the green flag. It might just work. But I don't like that. Can see it just looks not a bit, let's say, fancy. So let's delete this code. And oh, I just forgot to do one thing. Let's try with the Y block. I think I didn't understand what I was talking about. If when key up arrow is pressed, then change Y by 10. Right click, duplicate. Down arrow is pressed, then change Y by -10, of course. And wow, I don't like that. It's not quite fancy as I thought. So let's work on our next code, which will be the most advanced in this tutorial. So when flag is clicked, go to controls, get a forever loop. In that forever loop, we'll be adding this if statement. And let's go to sensing and get a key Y. And then go to motion, change x by 10 after the previous code. So what this code explains is when you click the green flag forever, if you press the right arrow, then it simply changes the x by 10. Let's test it. Awesome. So, oh my, just like on the edge. So right click this code, duplicate, say left arrow, -10. Wow, just love it. Then duplicate these two blocks. Let's zoom out a bit. And if key up is pressed, down, delete these two, and get a new block called change Y by 10, and change Y by -10. Wow. We can even diagonally. That's just awesome. Wow, just love it. Wow, awesome. So that's all for today. If you like our video, do like this video. Do leave a like to this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Coffee Galaxy. Until next time, it's us. See you next time. Goodbye.